Alright, so I'm going to be showing how to open up and disassemble this Dell Inspiron 15 7000 series 7537. Alright, so the customer just wanted me to remove the hard drive, so let's go ahead and do that. So there's 4 screws. We're going to be using a J1 or PH1 screwdriver to remove the screws on the bottom. Alright, again, they just wanted me to remove the hard drive because they're going to basically recycle this, and they didn't want to leave their data in there. So there's 2 more screws here. Keep them in order because they can be different size, shape, and lengths. The way I do that, I put them flat side down like that on my desk in the pattern and remove them. Anyways, now that we got those, let's go ahead and see if we can pull this out. Okay. Alright, these clips are really strong. Okay, you're going to have to hold this down and then just pull it up, I think. Alright. I've never worked on this model before, so I'm not 100% sure, but it seems like that should be it. Just pull this whole thing up. There we go. Okay, and pull this up. Okay, it helps if you have like something where you can flex the cover because of the way the clips are shaped. But there we go. It came off relatively easily. Took a little force, but yeah. All right, you got a battery here. There's a few screws. If you want to remove it, you would pull this tab. It would pop up like that. This battery is F7HVR, so that's the model number. Right, F7HVR. You got 2 sticks of RAM. Pull these 2 tabs to the side, pops up, and you can pull that out. 4 gig PC3L 12800S. Right, you should be okay with any PC3L 12800S RAM. We're gonna pop that out since the customer's gonna just get rid of it and recycle it. Sometimes the RAM's useful for testing at least. 4 gigs, 8 gigs is not a lot, but some people will find it useful. You got a wireless card here. Fan access, right? CPU is soldered down to the motherboard. There's the heatsink. BIOS, CMOS, RTC, real-time clock battery is under here. You see that little coin cell thing? But yeah, it's blocked off. So I don't know why they designed it like that. Maybe for rigidity. A lot of the new computers, they design it to where it's like difficult to work on. Anyways, there's 2 screws here. We're gonna remove those, and then we're gonna go ahead and pop the hard drive caddy out, and then remove the hard drive. All right, so we got those out. We're gonna lift starting from back here, okay, because there's a cable here. And what I'm gonna do, you can see it can swing over. There's a little cable. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit here. Okay, so the way I remove these is I pull it out. I use my fingernail, and then I'll just pull like this. Okay, and you can see we can get it out. I don't pull on this because this little cover can sometimes come off. If you can't pull it out that way, sometimes it helps to see from here. You can see there's a gap, and then you can go from this gap and then pull that. Okay, and there we go. There's the hard drive removed. I'm going to take out the hard drive screws and then just pop the hard drive out completely. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to this, and we're just going to put the bottom cover back on. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, excuse me, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share my channel with others so that they can learn how to upgrade and repair their devices as well. And if it helped you save a bunch of money, please consider contributing a little to the channel. Every little bit helps and allows me to continue making these videos for a living. Other than that, yeah, let's go ahead and get the bottom cover back on, and we should be good to go. Okay, so yeah. All right, we got this piece. Goes in at an angle like that. This drops down, and then you can go ahead and click all these little clips back down. Okay, you can get this screw back in. I like to twist it backwards to hear it click. Then I know it's going in and not cross-threading. All right, there we go. Yeah, not really much else to say about that. Click all of this down. This thing has a lot of clips under there. Okay. Alright, last 2 screws, and that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. You can upgrade your hard drive to an SSD if you want with this, and you can upgrade your RAM. Not really, I didn't really show much else how to do, but hopefully it helps. Again, if it did, like, comment, subscribe, share my channel with others so that they can learn how to upgrade and repair their devices as well. And if it helped you save a bunch of money, please consider contributing a little to the channel. Every little bit helps and allows me to continue making these videos for a living. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Alright, let's drop this. Bye.